What's up, guys? You won't believe this, but the Federal Reserve just posted a record-breaking $114 billion loss in 2023. That's right, a $114 billion loss. Can you even wrap your head around that number? That's an insane amount of money even for the mighty Fed. Now you might be thinking, how on earth did the Fed manage to lose that much money? Well, buckle up because this story is a wild ride. You see, when the Fed tries to fight inflation by raising interest rates, it has to pay banks and other institutions to hold money at the central bank. And with inflation skyrocketing in 2023, the Fed had to hike rates like crazy, which led to those massive interest payments. Let me break it down for you. In 2023, the Fed paid banks and institutions a staggering $176.8 billion in interest just for holding money at the central bank. That's more than the entire GDP of some small countries. And that's not even the worst part. The Fed also had to pay out $104.3 billion in interest on its reverse repo facility, which is a fancy way of saying it paid institutions to borrow money from the Fed. Now you might be thinking, wait a minute, doesn't the Fed make money from its bond investments? And you'd be right. In 2023, the Fed made $163.8 billion in interest from its bond investments. But here's the kicker. That still wasn't enough to offset the massive interest payments they had to make. Now, before you start panicking about the Fed going bankrupt, let me reassure you. Even with this record-breaking loss, the Fed can still operate normally and conduct monetary policy. The Fed can create money to fund these deficits, recording the losses as a deferred asset on its balance sheet. Think of it like a company investing heavily in new products or infrastructure. It might run at a loss for a few years, but as long as its long-term strategy pays off, it'll eventually make that money back and turn a profit again. So there you have it, folks. The Fed just posted an insane $114 billion loss, but it's not the end of the world. It's all part of the Fed's strategy to fight inflation and keep the economy on track. But what do you think about all this? Do you think the Fed's approach is working, or is it time for a change in strategy? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing financial news and analysis.